Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can remove continue watching from Amazon Prime. In order to remove the watch history from Amazon Prime, what you'll need to do is, first of all, make sure to update your application. After that, you'll need to open up your Amazon Prime or log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. In order to remove your watch history on Amazon Prime, what you need to do is, from the home page itself, you'll be able to see list of shows that you've watched. So all you have to do is just tap on the edit button next to it. So as soon as you click on the edit button, you'll be able to see a cross icon right in between with all the videos or the playlist. All you have to do is tap on the cross icon for the particular history that you want to remove. As soon as you've done that, the watch history will be removed. Now you'll need to continue the same procedure for the rest of the other videos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.